Welcome back to the channel. Well, this warming and filling stew is perked up with harissa and chorizo, making these meaty meatballs pop with flavour. It's quick to make, and you can make this stew the day before you need to feed your crowd, as it tastes even better the next day. So I'll shut up and we'll get on with it.
Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy in the section below so you can copy.
Just a little prep work first. Finely chop the onion. Well, this onion is as fine as I'm willing to make it. And then half the bunch of coriander and finely chop that half. Add the finely chopped onion, the seasonings, the chilli, the spices and the finely chopped coriander leaves to the lamb mince. And then add the egg and mix and combine everything with very clean hands. Form into meatballs. Now the size is up to you, but it should be anywhere from walnut size to golf ball size. Heat the oil and fry the chorizo. Turn them after a couple of minutes and then remove from the pan, leaving all that lovely flavoured oil. And into that oil, we can fry the meatballs until browned all over. You might need to do this in batches. Scoop them out and then add the harissa paste and cook it in that chorizo-y oil just for a minute or so, just to bloom and develop the spices. Add the tinned tomatoes, the chicken stock, and don't forget the cinnamon. Then simmer away for 15 minutes for the flavours to combine. Add the meatballs and chorizo back in, and hopefully you've used a big enough pot, as I've had to change mine so that this one fits. And simmer for another 20 minutes or so until the meatballs are cooked. If you have chosen to use larger meatballs, then perhaps 25 minutes. And once we're done, sprinkle over the rest of that coriander just to finish. And that's it, served with rice and bread, a super quick family meal. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Why not give it a like if you did? It really helps the channel out. And think about subscribing. We've got a whole playlist of stews here. Here it is, just on screen now. So until next time, bye!